Hi, today I would like to show you how to work the slip-1 yarn over followed by a knit stitch. Bring the working yarn forward, place it over the right hand needle and slip the next stitch purlwise. We're going to knit the following stitch, and here we have the slip-1 yarn over, basically a slipped stitch followed by a yarn over shawl. Now both the slipped stitch and its yarn over shawl are worked as one stitch on the following row. One more time, bring the yarn forward, over the right hand needle, slip the next stitch purlwise and knit the following stitch. Yarn forward, over the right hand needle, slip the next stitch purlwise, and here we have a few of the slip-1 yarn overs